Rudy Gomez now pinch hitting for Matt Erwin. Nick, we take a look here after we show you up close Gomez. Marsters really gets down low behind the plate. He was actually sitting. Look at that.
Yeah, it reminds me of Tony Pena. A lot of the young catchers can do that. That hurts my knees just looking at it.
You got that right.
Oh.
Didn't Manny Sanguian used to get down like that?
Oh, absolutely, yeah. He was one of the first that I remember doing it.
Gomez hitting 208, as you see. 1 out, 8th inning. Just a footnote to the Gator golf victory today. Chris Couch shot a 66 and won the medalist honors 204. And Florida, for Coach Buddy today, 26 strokes better than the University of Central Florida, the Gators team winning out of the University golf course.
It was a blowout. Can you say that in golf? 26 strokes?
Ball 3, strike 2. Hit into the air, right side, in foul territory. Dean Kemp, 2 out.